Welcome to Overgo World, making your life better through tech, vacations and other great things. Remember to subscribe so that you don't miss out on our latest videos.
If you're visiting Universal Studios, I would say it's well worth downloading the Universal Orlando Resort app, because not only does it provide access to a virtual map to look at attractions and dining spots and everything in between, but it also provides useful information for waiting times, as I'll show you, for the attractions. So once you're in the app like this and you've clicked through, it'll ask you whether you consent to sharing your location and turning on notifications. I would suggest doing so because then you can see the attractions nearby. And this is a screen you're met with. So you can see the wait time there for VillainCon, Minion Blast. You can scroll through and you can see the various other attractions on offer at a glance. If you want some more granularity, however, go ahead and click on the map. And from there you can filter by ride, so attractions, shows, dining, shops, everything in between. So you can place your mobile food orders through this and see what's nearby based on the virtual map.
We hope you enjoyed watching this, so please feel free to hit the like button and remember to subscribe for great upcoming videos. Thank you and see you next time.